Alright.
So, hello here world. We are in Junction, Texas. Last time we spoke, we were in
Alpine. We are on our way to San Antonio, Texas.
And we are gonna get some of the city life. We need to go hit a Walmart. We haven't seen a Walmart in probably over a month. We are gonna go to a Dollar Tree, hopefully, if they have one, and then we are also going to go to an Ikea to get a new...
We're gonna get ourselves a desk, guys. Yeah, you've heard it. We're gonna make ourselves an office inside Ruth. We're going to take out our couch. I know that sounds crazy. We're gonna take out our couch and get a desk to put it in place of the spot that it's in. A lot of times we find ourselves setting up and breaking down our office, and we set it right on our dining room table, so you don't eat or you work, or you work or you don't eat. It's kind of this never-ending battle.
We eat on our bed, the kids eat on the couch, and we have always stuck to eating as a family, and although we do a lot as a family, we are unable right now to eat as a family. So we definitely want to take the steps needed in this full-time lifestyle to make it more comfortable for our family, so that way we can all be spending time with each other at mealtime. You know, even though we've been with each other all day, it doesn't mean that we don't want to ask, how was your day? It still matters. I interpret my day different than he interprets it, even though we've seen the same day.
Correct.
So it's nice to be able to sit down and have that conversation and not really be in isolation or separated from one another just because of the situation. So I hope you enjoy today. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It definitely helps out our channel. If you're into it, hit the bell to get notifications. We usually post one video per week, and we're about faith, family, and fun. So here we go.
Alright, so this just in. As I was doing some filming just now at the beautiful view we have, I come back to the truck only to find out that my wife says she's going to pull the trailer, ladies and gentlemen.
You're silly, babe.
Oh, here we go.
Stop. It can't be that difficult. Around this corner anyways, like. Oh my gosh! It's not hard when you're going straight at 15 miles per hour. It's hard when you're going 70 trying to change lanes to get off at the exit.
Turn, brace yourself.
When like you let go of the gas because you stop. You don't just like slow down like in a car. You like are going 10 miles per hour, now you're going 0.
Alright, well, what do you think, babe?
I did it. Yay!
Good job.
Hi guys, so today we are somewhere with no air conditioning. I'm in the truck, I'm just small back daddy, and I'm reading my permit, and we are going to go swimming because we're in Texas, and Texas has got a river over here, but we're going to go up there more. I'm in the truck with my daddy.
Hello, world.
With Jelly. With Bugger. And daddy is getting rollbacked. So yeah. There's not much. So let's get to it. Daddy, will you come over here?
Go get her, Jackie. Jackie.
Come on, Jelly.
Go get her.
Come here, baby.
You excited? Everyone's excited to see water. Yeah?
Come on, baby.
Jackie, go get her.
Come on, baby.
Go swim. Go swim. Go swim.
Come on, baby. Come get me.
Go get her.
Come get me.
Go get her.
Okay, we're going this way.
We're super excited just to have somewhere to swim. We've been away from Florida for so long and the weather has just not been suitable for swimming, so it's super nice to finally find something like this to just be able to relax and feel a little close to home. It's really nice to actually get in something refreshing like this.
Come on, babies. Come on.
Well, you want to swim out here? You like the shallow end? Jackie. Jackie. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Jackie. Go get it.
Still?
No.
Throw another rock.
Get it.
Look out!
Oh, go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Jackie, can I have a picture?
Hey, buddy. How's it going with your fishing?
So good, I scared them all away. Can you just come swim with me? I'm not gonna catch anything while I'm swimming. Oh yeah, that's how you fish.
What's the cat think of all this? He wants to hang out with us, but he definitely is not entertaining the water. Although one time we did get to bathe him, and he was perfectly okay with it, surprisingly. Yeah, go out in that area where it's like, not like this. Well, I think the kids have about had it. They're getting a little restless. We're all getting hungry. So yeah, we've had a great time here. Jackie got to swim a little bit. Booker wasn't really feeling it. Nah. But that's okay though. He'll come around. But yeah, so off to the next place. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, my cat dog goes home. I'm looking straight, I'm not even looking through this. I don't need to look through it. We made it, guys. The iconic Ikea. Yeah, we finally made it to Ikea. And we are going to go ahead and put the critters inside the house while we go inside. We'll open up the top vents and let them circulate some.
Look at my new flip-flops. They're like bubbles.
Yeah. We'll open up the vents right here up top and let the air circulate for them. We got a decent amount of parking out here, and then we're gonna go inside and see if we can find ourselves a desk for our slide out. Alright, so they're just out of sight right over here around the corner.
At the kids corner, or the cozy kids.
So they're just out of sight, and we just dropped them off at the kids corner or whatever, and we are going straight to the coffee.
Yay!
Kidless.
Because remember, we get 90 minutes instead of an hour, and we get free cups of coffee.
Kidless. Hello.
Alright, we picked out our desk. It's right there in this box. You'll have to wait and see what it looks like. We got some coffee and cake. It is about 8 o'clock now.
7:48.
And we are about to go pick up the kids and then head to Dollar Tree to pick up some Halloween decorations for the trailer. And then we are off to go park in a parking lot for the night until tomorrow when we go to our boondockers and we put this bad baby in.
But for now, we're just gonna get our kids from the play area, and we're just gonna go ahead and take care of ourselves and then get settled in for the night, and then we'll be back at it tomorrow.
See you then.
Yeah.
We gotta get good light though. Oh, my fingers.
Sorry.
Don't. Okay. Start.
Hello world, it's G-Fam. We're out here in Texas, Alpine. Last time we talked to you guys,
No, we're not in Texas.
Yeah, we were in Alpine. See, you got me all no, you was on.
Okay, take like 10.
Alright.
Wait, you put your arm around me. Okay. We are headed to San Diego, Texas, some city life.
San Antonio, Texas.
Oh, what did I just say?
We're headed to San Antonio,
What did I just
Texas.
say?
San Diego. That's in California, but we're in Texas.
No, I swear, do not put all this in the vlog. Oh yeah, wait,
Think so.
Where'd we do our day in the life?
That was La Vista in...
Okay, that's good.
Alright, hello world.
Oh, it's recording
Yeah,
the whole
it's been
time.
recording.
Hi.
Hello world.
Didn't know that, sorry.
G-Fam.
We are on our way to San Antonio, Texas. I just said San Diego. Oh no, we did it in Alpine, Texas then.
Bend.
So yeah,
So we've
done
vlogged.
something in Texas.
Alright,
yes.
so since the last time we seen you, let's open it up and then I'll say that.